and import bookmarks in Google Chrome. So let's open up Google Chrome. At the very top right corner here, the Customize Control Google Chrome. Click on here and go scroll down to Bookmarks. Here you go to Bookmark Manager. And then go to Organize. And you will go to Export Bookmarks. So here you choose where to save to on this PC. So I'm going to save it onto my desktop. Okay, so it usually says bookmarks and the day that you export it out. So I'm going to save it. Okay, so let me just close this up. So here's my bookmarks that I just saved. Okay, so then if you want to import it onto a new computer or any just Google Chrome, you will go back to where you go here, customize, go down to bookmarks, and then bookmark manager. Go to organize over here and you just go import bookmarks. Okay, from here you just choose the bookmarks that we just saved, the HTML document. Click on here and it says open. Okay, so now on top here you see import. So here it is, this an import of what I have on here. Okay, so you can either save it onto a thumb drive or copy onto another computer and imported this onto your Google Chrome. Thank you for watching.